Making money online 2022 by just reading emails is very simple. One of the most popular and old ways of making money online, the method is to read emails. It is perhaps the most basic and first method of making money online. Although the income of this method is not very high, but the majority of people around the world are interested in this method. In today's video, I will introduce a site where you can make money online by reading any emails. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Hi guys, the site I want to introduce to you today, loitic.com. You can earn money online by using this site and reading emails. When you register on this site, your email will be sent to your inbox. You can make money online after clicking on emails. Of course, you can get $1 by introducing your friend and the referral system. In fact, one of the secrets of making money online from these sites is that you can introduce many people using the referral system. The minimum payment on this site is 2 cents. It's very easy. Of course, if you register on the faucet sites, you can receive your payment using digital currencies. In short, this is a valid site. There is no problem with payment and it works. But this site may stop in the future. I have always said that you can use methods like affiliate marketing to make money online. You can download the book related to the affiliate system for free from the description, which will teach you how to set up an online store with all the products of affiliate marketing sites such as AliExpress and Amazon in the shortest possible time. Thank you for watching our video. Like if you like it and subscribe us and hit the bell button, because in future tutorial I will share with you more ways to make money online. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.